The chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, Oluokoye, has vowed to ensure investigations into the alleged N80.2 billion fraud case against former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. On April 17th, EFCC operatives laid siege on Bello's Abuja residence in a bid to arrest him. While the operatives were at Bello's residence, Usman Ododo, governor of Kogi, arrived at the scene. Shortly after Ododo left the residence, the EFCC operatives ended their siege. Bello was believed to have been rescued from his residence by Ododo. Amid the drama, the Kogi High Court delivered judgment in a fundamental rights enforcement suit, restraining the commission from harassing, threatening to arrest or detaining the former governor. On the same day, the EFCC obtained a warrant of arrest against Bello from a federal high court in Abuja. Subsequently, the anti-graft agency declared the former governor wanted, while the Nigeria Immigration Service placed Bello on a watch list. On April 23rd, Ola Olukoye, the EFCC chair, said he invited Bello to his office for a dignified interrogation. Olukoye said Bello turned down the invitation and requested operatives to come to his village instead.
You know what he said? But can't they come to my village?
The media office dared the anti-graft agency to prove that Bello was ever invited. The EFCC stated that they invited Yahaya Bello immediately after his tenure ended on the 27th of January 2024. Media challenged the EFCC to publish a copy of the invitation delivered to Yahaya Bello. The statement reads, "It was thus clear from the foregoing that the EFCC was out for mischief." A stage was being set to move in a Gestapo manner to his home, lay siege there, and violently arrest him to tarnish his name and ruin his reputation as if he were a fugitive, even though he was not invited. Michael accused the EFCC of violating the court order barring the agency from harassing the former governor. Upon the above facts, particularly that he was to be investigated, invited, arrested, or prosecuted on an impossible allegation, the High Court granted him reprieve by restraining the EFCC from inviting, arresting, and prosecuting him, pending the determination of the originating motion for the enforcement of his fundamental rights. The said order was served on the EFCC on the 12th day of February 2024. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, is prosecuting Yahaya Bello alongside his Ali Bello, Dauda Suleiman, and Abdul Salam Hudu on 19-count charges bordering on money laundering to the tune of N80 billion. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has served a copy of the charge sheet of alleged fraud to the tune of N80 billion against the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, on his lawyer, Abdul Wahab Mohammed. This follows an order by Justice Emeka N. White of the Federal High Court in Abuja after Bello's absence in court. Justice N. White further held that it was clear that the former governor failed to appear in court for his arraignment. Although Bello's lawyer, Mohammed, initially declined to accept the charges and proof of evidence, he was compelled to do so by Justice N. White. The judge rejected the plea by the senior lawyer that a junior lawyer in his team, A.I. Musa, be the one to accept the charges on behalf of the former governor. Also recently, EFCC has confirmed the return of $760,000 in advance school fee payment made by former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello for his children at the American International School in Abuja. The school, at EFCC's request, has refunded the entire amount to our recovery account. Bello allegedly transferred $720,000 from state coffers to pay for his children's tuition in advance, ranging from grade levels 2 to 8. The school informed EFCC that they've received a total of $845,852 in tuition since September 7, 2021, deducting educational services already rendered. Therefore, the refunded amount stands at $760,910. Bello had argued that the EFCC was an illegal organization. According to him, the federal government did not consult the 36 federation states before enacting the EFCC Act through the National Assembly. He added that Section 12 of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, required the various houses of assembly to ratify the Act before it could become operative. Counsel to the EFCC, Kemi Finhero, however, urged the court to dismiss the application, insisting that the warrant of arrest should not be set aside until the defendant makes himself available for trial. He argued that Bello did not have the legal ground to file numerous applications while in hiding. Justice Nwite issued a bench warrant against and subsequently declared the former governor wanted for his persistent absence in court and for evading the criminal charges against him. In light of recent events surrounding the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, it's clear that the allegations against him are serious. Despite being declared wanted by the EFCC and facing multiple charges, including money laundering, Bello has evaded appearances in court. The EFCC, determined to pursue justice, has even obtained a warrant for his arrest. Additionally, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, has urged Bello to surrender to the EFCC. It's essential for Bello to address these allegations transparently and cooperate with the authorities to ensure a fair resolution. If you find the video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and activating the notification bell for future videos.